So a little bit of advice for security advisors around the world. I've just come from a home where a young couple have just moved into their first home, and the previous person who went out to go and see them as a security advisor had made them feel extremely uncomfortable, pressured, scared, which is exactly the opposite of what we should be doing in this industry. Now, for me, there's an old saying that says, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So if you can remember that one bit of info, and also remember that when you walk into somebody's home, it's their personal space. They are human beings, and treat them as a human being and look after their security like you would look after your own family and your own security. Put them first, and then after that, they will trust you too. So go and be a human.